Hey everybody, it's Miss Christina, and I'm going to do a science experiment once or twice a week. So we'll just say Science with Miss Christina. So we'll call it that, or mini scientist time with Miss Christina. We'll come up with a good name. So today I'm going to make Oobleck, and it's really known as like the original slime, and it only takes 2 ingredients, which is really nice. And most of you probably have it in your pantry. So the first ingredient is cornstarch, and the second ingredient is water. And then you just want a good bowl, or like a 6x9 or the 9x13 casserole dish is really good. Just a nice big flat area. And you'll see that the cleanup is actually quite easy, so don't worry, your pans aren't going to get ruined. So, and then just, a spoon to be able to stir the ingredients together. So, I'm making a smaller version here, but basically it takes about 1.5 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water mixed together. But the trick is that you don't want to mix wet to dry, you want to mix dry to wet. So you're going to first put your water in, and so I'm only going to be using 1/3 cup of cornstarch. There's my son Owen. He's waiting for the Oobleck. He wants to play with it. And so then I'm only going to put in about
half a water.
1/4 cup of water.
I mean, 1/4 cup of water. I forgot.
You forgot. It's okay.
What is this?
And then I'm going to slowly mix in the cornstarch, okay? So you cannot do this too slow. It's really okay to take this process slow. If you have a whisk, it's also a good option to use, okay? Let's pause and mix this right here.
It's not turned to Oobleck.
It is turning to Oobleck. I can see it already. You're going to notice that it kind of can get hard to stir. You have to kind of really get it off the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, and it still hasn't turned to Oobleck quite yet because I don't have enough cornstarch in it yet.
You need more in there.
I do need more in there.
So
not more water, more cornstarch.
I forgot.
That's okay. Alright, because right now it's too wet. We want to make it a little bit thicker.
It's already getting thicker.
Yes, it is. You're right.
Go my mommy's experiment.
My mommy's experiment. That's right. So we're gonna stir and stir and stir.
Are those your people?
My people?
Your real people.
Yeah, my learning together people.
But how can't you see them?
I can't. They're gonna see me. I'm gonna share the video with them.
Is it ready?
Almost. We're gonna actually add more water so I can put more of this cornstarch in.
Why?
So we can have more Oobleck.
It's gonna be really cool.
I think so too.
When you add too much water, it's going to be un-Ooblecky.
On Ooblecky?
Yeah.
I wonder if we could look that up in the dictionary.
What? What?
Nothing, dear. Nothing. Okay. So this looks like a pretty good consistency, actually. So, the cool thing about Oobleck is that it's considered a suspension. So it's not a liquid, and it's not a solid. It's actually got some cool magic going on with it. So this aside. So first, you can see, it's kind of liquidy, right?
Mm-hmm. And it's kind of messy.
It is kind of messy, but I can also squeeze it and make it a dry solid. So looks like I might have put too much water in this on accident.
So it's going to be un-Oobleck.
No, we'll just get some more cornstarch. And it'll turn into a solid in your hand. It'll clump up. And you can also put your hand on top of it. So you can make it into a solid. And if you open your hand, the warmth from your hand will turn it back into a liquid. It's kind of cool. So solid and then it goes straight to a liquid. It feels really funny in your hand when you do it. Owen really likes to play with Oobleck. He thinks it's cool. Can you go get the cornstarch container from the kitchen counter for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh.
What?
It's okay, go ahead. So, the kiddos might get Oobleck on the floor. All you need is water and a warm washcloth. There's warm water and a washcloth, and it wipes up.
You don't have that much left.
This,
We have a little bit.
no, we have a little bit. This I will take to, let's say, my kitchen sink and just spray it out with some warm water.
Wait, let me stir.
Hold on, please stop. And it'll wash right out. It doesn't stain anything. It comes right out. I've even had it get on my carpet. I could just vacuum it out, and then if there was anything that like kind of sat deeper into the carpet, it all I need to do is use a washcloth. So here, ready? Here we go. Okay, ready. So I have a solid in my hand, and then it turns to liquid. It's really cool. It's sort of kind of neat how this goes from liquid to solid in your hand. And it's messy. I mean, don't put your kiddos in their Sunday best when you do this, but it's a lot of fun. Can I show them? So like right now, if I put my hand here, there's a bad glare. I have to like literally scratch it off the bottom. So I have a clump, and then did you see that? How it just kind of turned right to a liquid in my hand? It's really cool. So it's a suspension. It's not liquid or a solid, but it has characteristics of both. So if I squeeze it, it's a solid, and then it goes right to a liquid because of the heat in my hand.
But your hand is cold. They will stay.
Well, my hands aren't cold, so it's not going to stay.
But your hands
So again, it's literally just 1.5 cups of cornstarch to 1 cup of water, and mix solid into your liquid. Don't go liquid into solid, because then it'll just be really hard for you to stir. And I know you're looking at this going, well, that's really messy, but the cleanup is super easy. So don't be afraid. Roll up those sleeves, and get a little dirty, have a little fun, and enjoy an hour of amazement and science and quiet. All right, I'm gonna let you play with that.